Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to install Desire Cafe Coronavirus Sanitizer Dispenser. Fix the screw with the help of given template. It has the capacity of 5 liters. Never go beyond it. For convenience of everyone, it has the maximum and minimum display. Place the machine on wall. Empty 5 liters of liquid sanitizer into the dispenser. Make sure that the switch is off when filling the sanitizer. Tighten the lid after filling. Plug the machine and switch it on. Now place your hands under the dispenser. Your hands will be sanitized in fraction of seconds. Okay, go for it. To fight against coronavirus with Desire Cafe.